Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce AI Champions. Today I'll be going to talk about how we can create Salesforce data categories for Salesforce Knowledge and how we can create those data categories and how we can assign the data categories for a knowledge record. So currently I am in a knowledge record and we can see these different details for the knowledge record like article number, title, URL name, then summary. So this is a knowledge article for laptop repair FAQ, frequently asked questions. And we can see in here these categories. So currently since there are no category assigned, that is why it's showing 0. So first of all, let me tell you a high level overview of what the data categories is all about. So data categories are like a hierarchical structure system for classifying articles to help the organization and access control. So they function like tags for articles, allowing administrator to control who can see what based on data category assignments, right? So there are like different key features and how we can just access those data categories. So we can just from the on clicking on this setup, and in the quick find we can just search for data categories, and in here we can see that under this data categories we can see data category setup. I will be clicking on that, and we can see that if I just read out the help text, like categories groups are hierarchies of data categories. For example, a category group named location might contain a geographical hierarchy of continents, countries, regions, and states. Use this page to manage category groups and the categories they contain. So I'll be creating a new category group, like this will be the hierarchy. So under the, so this will be the main category, like laptop repair is my will be my main category, and under that main category I'll be creating the child categories, like for hardware issues and software issues. These will be two child categories, and under those child categories there will be like subcategories like battery problems, keyboard and touchpad. So this will be subcategories. So let me just create a new main category group first. So on clicking on this new button, I can just provide the group name and group unique name, and on clicking on save we can just create this category group. And in the category group we can just tell the subcategory like hardware issues. This like under this main category, after creation of this category we can just add child categories, like so this will be like two categories like hardware issues, and another category will be software issues. And under this category we can add multiple child categories, right? So I can, on clicking on this add child category, I can add child categories for this hardware issues category. So let me just add these values like battery problems, then keyboard and touchpad, then display or screen issues, and finally motherboard and components. So, and on this under this child categories as well we can just add another subcategories for the child category as well. I'm for the time being I'm not adding that. So let me add the child categories for software issues category, and that will be like operating systems, and then driver installation or updates. So our setup is done, and let me just click on save. So this is how we can just create data categories for knowledge setup in Salesforce, and we can just expand all to see the hierarchies. And currently, so it's under the inactive category group. So we just need to, if we want to use you want to show this category as an option in the knowledge record, in that case we just need to activate this category group. So on clicking on this key like icon we can just activate this category. and under after this activation we can just find this created category under this active category groups. So this is how we can just create categories. Now let me add this category into a knowledge record, and and on clicking on this, so this is a published article, that is why the edit option is disabled. And let me just create a new knowledge article for this demo. Let me provide the title test data categories. So on clicking on the save, we can just redirect it to this knowledge record page, and under this categories we can see this enabled drop down is enabled, and on clicking on this edit we can see all our data categories like knowledge management and laptop repair. So we want to just use this data category laptop repair, and under this laptop repair we can find these are the subcategories are also present, and we can specifically choose this subcategory for this knowledge record, right? So for the time being I am choosing these hardware issues, keyboard and touchpad, this one, and on clicking on this save we can see that under this categories the laptop repair category is added, and what is the subcategory like keyboard and touchpad. So this is how we can just simply create data categories for knowledge in Salesforce, and we can just assign that category to a knowledge record. So I'll be uploading more tutorials. So this will be like a fast part of the knowledge setup in Salesforce. So I'll be adding more tutorials on Salesforce, Omni Studio and Data Cloud topics. And if you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.